Have you ever tried to call a C function from Python only to hit a wall with pointers? It can be really confusing, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to call CTypes functions that use pointers to return values in Numba. I totally get it. Working with C functions and pointers can feel like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube blindfolded. You're not alone in this struggle. Many developers face similar challenges when integrating C with Python. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user asked, "How can I call a C function that uses a pointer to return a value in Numba?" They provided a simple C function and wanted to know how to collect results from two arrays using Numba's JIT compilation. Sound familiar? Let's tackle this together. So, what's the issue here? The user is trying to call a C function that uses a pointer to return a value, but Numba doesn't support the address of operator. This can lead to confusion when trying to pass the address of an array element. Let's break it down step by step. And stick around. I have a workaround that will help you successfully call your C function with Numba. And trust me, you won't want to miss it. To begin, the user needs to ensure that the C function is properly compiled and accessible. This involves compiling the C code into a shared library using the GCC compiler. Next, the user should load the compiled shared library using the CTypes module in Python. This allows the user to access the C function from Python code. Now, the user can define the Numba function. This function will iterate over the elements of the input arrays and call the C function for each pair of elements. Finally, the user should ensure that the Numba function is executed in no Python mode for optimal performance. This means avoiding Python objects within the loop. Fun fact, did you know that the first C compiler was created in 1972? It's amazing how far programming has come since then, but some challenges still remain. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach shared by another user involves using the data pointer of the result array. They suggest taking a slice of the array to pass the address of the specific element to the C function. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always check if your Numba function is running in not Python mode. This can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. You should now be able to call your C function using pointers in Numba. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks.